Let's deep dive into how we can use Staxio for local SEO. In this first series, we're going to go through the items on this list, and they will all be done and created using the Maps Builder feature of Staxio. And each of these items is going to be a level of data that we're going to be adding into our builds. So level 1 is business data. Level 2, we're going to add our business keywords. On level 3, we're going to go and learn how to randomize our latitude and zoom settings. Level 4, we're going to add points of interest. Level 5, we're going to expand our points of interest with additional place types. And level 6, we're going to create a custom location to get our POIs, or points of interest, from. So let's jump right into level 1. This is where we're going to get data and information about our business from a Google Maps listing. And how do we get a Maps URL from a business listing? We go to Google Maps, and let's say that this location here was my business. So I'm going to click on my business. This is the knowledge panel. I'm going to my browser URL and click on it, and then copy this link. And now I have my Google Maps listing URL ready to insert into the Google Maps URL field of Staxio. Now all I need to do is to scroll down and click on the Build Maps URL button. Now that our build is complete, let's take a look at what Staxio created. And this is the folder. Gonna open the folder, and I have 3 files. So I have a Google Sheet and 2 images. These 2 images are gonna be inside the Google Sheet. So let's open that first and take a look. Our Google Sheet has 2 images at the top, 2 tabs at the bottom, one with the business name, another tab for embeds, and just below the images we have a list of links. These links are a result of what we have been finding and investigating while using Google Maps. And this is something we have been gradually adding more. And we invite you to open these up and see what they're about and what sort of information they are showing. And you can easily understand what each is doing if you open them up in your browser. I'll just open a couple of these links as an example. So I'm going to open the satellite view. And I'm going to open, let's say, the transit view, for example. Let's open a layer street view link. And at the very bottom, we have links to our Google Drive folder, our spreadsheet, and different types of links to the spreadsheet, the pub HTML, the pub and the view, and also a couple of links to both the tabs we have inside our spreadsheet. The Embeds tab has, of course, a list of iframe embed codes, which can be added to any HTML file. And with this, we conclude the first module, level 1 of the local SEO course. Let's take a look at the next one.